So for this problem, we want to find the velocity that's needed to make this exponent a function of time. So basically how we do that really is to find the area of whatever is under the line, and above that draw like that, the the line drawn on the slope. So find the area, it's mv final of x minus mv initial of x, and the initial of x is 0. So basically, finding the area at the time being at 5 seconds and the force being -10, we have -50. And then we have the area of the force at -10, and the time at 10 is -25, because it's a triangle, so it's divided by 2. So when we add both of these values together, we're left with the whole area of that shape down there is -75. So to find the velocity initial of x, it's the area. So it's velocity final of x equals -75 divided by 1,000 kilograms, which is that mass. Since there is no velocity, there is only mass. And then we're left with -0.75 meters per second. And basically that's our answer.